Well, I have set some dog-proof coon traps. As you can see, got them loaded up with some marshmallows. It's like crack to a raccoon. I got two here at this feeder. Got two down at the other food plot on that feeder too. I don't think they're going to drag the feeder away from here, but we'll see come tomorrow morning. Well, folks, we're down here this morning getting ready to put a coon in the bucket here. Set some dog-proof traps yesterday afternoon down here and put some miniature marshmallows in there for these raccoons, trying to catch a few of them and get them out of here. The place is infested with them and they wreak havoc on our corn feeders a lot of the time, so I want to get a few of them out of here. We've got somebody that wants them for the meat, so that's what we're up to today. And as you can see, got one taker here. I've got two set and got one coon, and got two more set over on the other food plot, and hopefully we got one or two over there too. So I'm not going to mess around too long. I'm going to go ahead and dispatch this one, and then we'll go down there and check the other one to see what's happening down there and deal with that. So that's what we're up to. Dog-proof traps. They work really well. Nothing else. You don't catch any unintended game with them is the whole idea behind them. And you don't hurt your meat or your pelt if you're trapping for the fur. And as you can see, he's just laying there trying to act like he's not there. Folks, them little old miniature marshmallows, they can't stand them. It's like crack to them. Well, now we're down here at the other food plot, and we've been successful. Got two sitting here ready to be dispatched. So that's 3 for 4. That's a pretty good night. So I'm gonna get these rascals took care of. They are not too happy right now. Not happy at all. We're gonna put them out of their misery and mine right here in a minute. Well, as you can see, we got 3 nice ones. It was 4. I caught 4. I'm hoping that the footage off of the game camera will show us the other one. But I know there was 4 because one of the trap was triggered and the marshmallows were gone from out of it, or the coon crack as I call it. So, but we come out with 3 for one night. That ain't too bad. Got a fella up the road that's going to take all 3 of them. He wants them for the meat, and that's great. So there you go, coon trapping.